Do you hear that? She left and she turned off her air conditioner, or he, or whatever. But it's still dripping, not as often as at night when it's turned on, but the remainder of water is still dripping. Boom. The sky is clear. It's not raining. It hasn't rained all night. It hasn't rained the previous day or the day before. I have no AC in my window. The dripping continues. I don't want to film up there because I don't want my camera to get wet. It's a really expensive camera. I don't want it to get wet just to prove my innocence. Sorry. Drip on my windowsill, and it obviously leaks down onto her windowsill, because where else is water going to go? It's dripping from whatever 12th or 14th floor air conditioner. It's dripping on my windowsill. And yet you're blaming me for it. I'm gonna film a video like this every day for as long as this continues, and I'm gonna upload it on YouTube. I'm gonna make sure this haunts you.